Welcome to PSY 503, Steps in Test Construction, Study Session 15. Introduction. This last lecture teaches the steps to be followed at test construction. The steps are sequential but do not necessarily imply that it must be followed religiously at every test development. It serves as a guide. Simply, the steps involved in constructing a new psychological test are discussed. The steps cover from when the test items are generated, including test standardization through establishing reliability and validity. Objectives. 1. At the completion of the lecture, the students are expected to achieve the following. 2. Be able to generate items for test construction. 3. Identify useful and unuseful test items. 4. Standardize a new psychological test for use. Steps in test construction. 1. Choose the purpose of the instrument. Is this a screener? What will people use the test for? What decisions are you trying to make? 2. Identify the construct. Review the literature. Ask experts. 3. Construct initial item pool. Try to develop 3 times as many items as you wish to have on the test. Develop items based on the purpose of the test and based on who will take the test. Take time now to develop good items. Try to cover the entire domain of the construct, but do not write items that are likely to load on other constructs. Make items as simple to read as possible. Reverse some items. 4. Review, revise, and try out. Conduct an expert review. Conduct a bias review. Administer the items to a few individuals who are representative of potential test takers and obtain their feedback if possible. 5. Alpha study. Administer the items to a sample of subjects who are representative of potential test users. Do item analysis and choose final items. Criteria include coefficient alpha, domain coverage, difficulty level, endorsement rate. 6. Beta study. Reliability studies, test retest, alternate forms, internal consistency. Validity studies, known groups, convergent and discriminant predictive factor analysis. Collect normative data from a representative sample. Tips on attitude scale construction. Item wording. 1. As my advisor used to say, keep it simple, stupid. Use simple words that everybody knows. Utilize vocabulary sufficiently prevalent that the target population experiences little ambiguity. Eschew obfuscation. 2. Keep it short. 3. Avoid double-barreled items. For example, the government should provide low-cost medical care because too many people are in poor health and doctors charge so much money. 4. Avoid absolutes. Always, never, everybody, nobody. For example, Sunday school is always fun for everyone. 5. Avoid questions that require little known facts. For example, the government should provide for no more medical care than what is implied in the Constitution. 6. Avoid not and on. For example, I do not like class. Rewrite to I hate class. 7. Minor changes in item wording can have a big effect on item responses. You can't always tell what this will be before collecting data. The following two items have very different response characteristics. 8. Response set: acquiescence, yea and nay saying. Some people endorse most anything in an attitude scale. Others seem to disagree about most any attitude. Oh, yeah. Therefore, switch between positive and negative statements. 9. Social desirability. Some people respond in such a way as to look good or to gain approval, even when there is a good chance the answers to questions will remain anonymous. From Marlowe, social desirability scale can serve as a control. Sample question: before voting, I thoroughly investigate the qualifications of all the candidates. End of study section 15. Thanks for listening.